Chinese delicacies. Food vocabulary. Rice, rice. Noodles, noodles. Dumplings, dumplings. Porridge, congee, porridge, congee. Fried rice, fried rice. Steam buns, steam buns. Sweet and sour pork, sweet and sour pork. Kung Pao chicken, kung pao chicken. Hot pot, hot pot. Peking duck, peking duck. Mapo tofu, mapo tofu. Spring rolls, spring rolls. Egg tart, egg tart. Scallion pancakes, scallion pancakes. Shaved ice desserts, shaved ice desserts. Wonton soup, wonton soup. Hot and sour soup, hot and sour soup. Seaweed egg drop soup, seaweed egg drop soup. Pickled vegetables, pickled vegetables. Century egg, century egg. Green beans stir fry, green beans stir fry. Sesame balls, sesame balls. Mooncake, mooncake. Mango pudding, mango pudding. Green tea, green tea. Bubble tea, bubble tea. Soy milk, soy milk. Sticky rice dumplings, sticky rice dumplings.